Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Freaking Jeep and Toys Garage. Today's episode we're going to be taking care of a little death wobble problem. I know it comes up a lot in the Jeep groups, and Munki mechanic has been driving this thing back and forth to school, and guess what? She called the other day and said it was wobbling. So she took it easy on the way home, and today we're going to take a look at how to fix it. Come on, let's take a look. Okay, it appears that this joint here is a bit worn out. So that's the one we're going to change. Actually, we're probably going to change the whole tie rod or drag link all the way across to there. Get this wheel out of the way. Now we can get to the drag link end. It's right here. Pretty rusty looking, but we'll get it out. Cotter pin off. Pretty tight. We don't need no stinking pullers. Alright, we took the other wheel off. If you don't have jack stands, which everybody should, I have some around, I just can't find them. You can always stick the tire underneath the frame, underneath the body, somewhere close to where you're working. That will give you some sort of protection. I still wouldn't lay underneath it, but at least at that point, if something were to happen, the jack were to give out, you can at least get a jack under something to jack it back up. So as a safety precaution, I stuck the tire underneath there. Got both front wheels off. We're going to work on this top fitting over here on the steering box. Got a locked steering wheel. Hammer can turn a wrench into an impact wrench. Same method here with a hammer. Most people would just take the joint out, replace the joint. This one's in pretty rough shape. I don't know that I could get it apart. Watch out, got some sharp edges on that one. Anyway, I'm not sure this end would come apart without some heat and a lot of work. So I just grabbed a spare from the shop off of another vehicle. Okay. Crap crawl over here. Be the same method if you went and bought a new adjustment sleeve and new tie rod ends. This takes a couple ugga-duggas and it's tight. Let's do the other side. That in there. Now all that'll be left is to adjust it, which we'll do. We'll have to take a little ride, see where the steering wheel is, and then we'll use a pipe wrench. Always remember to take your light out. Don't leave that in the wheel well. Get these jacks out of here. test drive. So far, we've got no wobbles. Steering wheel's a little crooked, so we'll have to stop and adjust that. Took a pipe wrench along. Right now we're pointing at, I'm going to say 130. So just a slight adjustment. We'll pull over here. I'm running down the back road, just a hair above the speed limit, and so far no wobbles. So I think we got this thing licked. So let's pull over and adjust the tie rod. We're going down a section of road here that it's almost guaranteed to bring out the wobble in anybody's. If you got a problem with it, this section of road we just went through, it'll cause a shake. Looks good. Now now that we know we don't have any shaky shake, we'll pull over up here and we'll go adjust the tie rod for the drag. Okay, we're stopped on a side road. It's actually kind of like somebody's driveway, I think, but it's here. It's a road, yeah. It's still public. We're going to. I set the steering wheel to where it was, so the front wheels are straight. And now we'll go under, we'll adjust, and check the steering wheel a couple of times, and we'll see where it lands. All right, I'm going to use a pipe wrench on here. Don't remember which way I got to turn this thing. I'll make this thing longer. So which way does it turn to get longer? Ow! Ooh! Don't use a cheap one. That didn't work. You get what you pay for when you buy tools. Pop the key out. Okay. All right. Now we got this thing turning. I've got Munki in the truck. She's looking at the steering wheel. Because there's pressure on the tires, they're going to resist turning. Right now, the easiest place to move is in the steering wheel. So we'll turn this until the steering wheel is fairly straight. We'll wait for her to holler at us. She says it's straight for now. So we'll give a little tighten on these collars. One of them anyway. Because we forgot a wrench. That's right, we got a pipe wrench. That's all you need to fix the Jeep. Alright, got that snugged up. We'll go take it the rest of the way home and see if we got to do some fine adjustments. Alright, we are going straight down the road. Steering wheel is pretty close. I think we might have a little fine tuning here, but it's definitely drivable. The steering wheel's straight. We're rolling down the road, down at back road speeds. I don't know what the back roads are by you are. They're 55 here. That's what we're running. And we got no wobble. But we got some noisy brakes, so that'll be next. So we'll have to go get some parts. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, we got home with this thing. I made a slight adjustment and I tightened up the clamps to lock that in place so it's not going to move. We're going to jump on the back here. It's got a bent axle shaft, so we're going to pull that axle shaft out and go get a replacement tomorrow. Now we gotta try getting this thing apart. There we go. And there we go. It's all set. That wasn't too bad. Ugh. Now we'll pick up these tools and tomorrow we'll go get some parts from the parts Jeep. Cool. Alright, well, I think we're going to wrap this episode up. Monkey Mechanic's been behind the camera this time, learning a little bit. So we'll probably pick this one up tomorrow. So we'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, what are you doing running away? Don't click that stop button yet. You forgot to hit the subscribe button and the bell. Come on now. You gotta help us out. We need it. Do it now. Okay. Catch you in the next one. Bye.